Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluidart Express. Up first, you would have seen our very special guest this week, Pattie from Let's Pour with Pattie. She's absolutely awesome. I love her to bits. Thank you so much for joining us this week. You're awesome! Now, after me, we'll have Kristey from Creations by Kristey, Shannon from ShanB Fluid Art, Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art, and hopefully Tony and Kat from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So stick around and enjoy the ride. What I figured I would do today is just have a little bit of fun and do some backgrounds for embellishment projects. So you can get like the temporary tattoos that you stick over your artworks, and you can use paint pens like this up on the screen. Draw your own little pictures on your backgrounds that you make. So comes in handy if you get one that's cracked or you're not quite happy with. Embellish over the top, that way it's not a total loss and you can still make something cool out of it. So all I'm using today is my Shelly Art recipe, which is basically untinted house paint mixed with either tube paints or mica pigments. So no cell activators, no Aussie flow trolls, none of that. It's just basic untinted house paint and micas and yeah, tube paints. Alright, let's see what we get.
It's every drug come with side effects. We could go all night forever. We could, maybe we should. I'm not afraid cause it feels like you could save me right now, right now. Maybe not, but I gotta see you anyway. Right now, baby, right now. It's just you and me, baby, I believe another life is ours. It's that crazy. I'm not afraid cause it feels like you can save me right now. Don't wanna come down. Here we are now, no turning back, yeah. Keep it casual, like I'm not obsessed. What goes up, yeah, they say must come down. But doesn't every love come with side effects? We could go all night forever. We could, baby, we should. I'm not afraid cause it feels like you can save me right now, right now. Maybe not, but I gotta see you anyway. Right now, baby, right now. It's just you and me, baby, I believe another life is ours. It's that crazy. I'm not afraid cause it feels like you can save me right now. Don't wanna come down, don't wanna come down, don't wanna come down. Doesn't every love come with side effects? Doesn't every love come with side effects? I'm not afraid cause it feels like you could save me. Ooh, right now. Maybe not, but I gotta see you anyway. Right now, baby, right now. It's just you and me, baby, I believe another life is ours. Is that crazy? I'm not afraid cause it feels like you can save me right now. Don't wanna come down. Doesn't every love come with side effects? Doesn't every love come with side effects?
habit is killing me. I miss loving you, but you won't go for me. Sorry, I can never be what you wanted. Body feeling tired, but I couldn't sleep. Trying to make sense, but nothing's clear to me. Sorry, I can never be what you wanted. Good God, where do we begin? Looking for the light, but I just live in silences. I've been going to places. I miss your eyes, I don't know who to be. I look in the mirror, don't know what to see. Sorry, I can never be what you wanted. In my head, in my bed, going crazy. All alone, nowhere to go, someone save me. I'm in hell, can't you tell, getting hazy. Someone save me, someone save me. I'm around you. Somebody show me the light, open my eyes, tell me I'm gonna make it out alive. It's killing me, then letting go, getting high, staying low. In my head, I don't know, another drink, all alone.
Alright, I'll do a flyover of that one. These are a load of fun. Heaps and heaps of fun. So, give it a go. You don't need expensive flow trolls and all the other stuff that goes along with it. You can do this with just basically paint and water if you really wanted to. Great way to spend with the kids on a, you know, a crappy weekend where it's pouring down or whatever. But super effective and loads of fun. And like I said at the beginning, perfect for embellishment projects because you can go in and add little butterflies and anything you want on it. So it's all open to your imagination. Alright guys, up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey. So click on the name of the title of the video and it will take you to her channel. Or if you're in a live chat, just click on the link that I put in there. It'll take you to her premiere for today. If you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, use the play all list. That way you don't get lost. It's the easiest way. Alright guys, that's it from me. So have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.